Welcome to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular coffee makers, the PEM 350 and KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker. We'll be evaluating them based on their features, design, usability, and price so you can make an informed decision. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The PEM 350 has a sleek and modern design with a tempered glass jar and stainless steel filter. On the other hand, the KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker has a more traditional look with a stainless steel body. Both products look great, but it ultimately comes down to personal preference. The PEM 350 comes with a removable tray for easy cleaning and a frothing wand that makes creamy froth to top off your cappuccinos and lattes. The KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker has a 15-bar pump pressure for improved flavor extraction with no bitterness and a manual selection to control the in-cup result. It also has an integrated steam nozzle to prepare creamy cappuccinos. Both products have unique and useful features, so it depends on your needs. The PEM 350 is easy to clean and use, with a simple on-off button and a removable filter for easy cleaning. The KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker has a compact thermoblock system for rapid preheating in 40 seconds, a 1L capacity removable water tank for easy filling, and a user-friendly manual selection. Both products are user-friendly and efficient. The PEM 350 is reasonably priced and affordable for most budgets. Unfortunately, the price for KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker is slightly high, with a price tag of $169 United States dollars. If you're on a tight budget, the PEM 350 is the way to go. That's it for our comparison of the PEM 350 and KRUPS Professional Coffee Maker. Two great products with unique features. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your needs and preferences. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.